muy buenas, Reina Contact. Continue descent flight level 250, stop progression 250 knots. Hotel, line up on way, runway 10. Line up on way 10, I know 96 Hotel. G-HLYJ, morning, there is a contact, line start level 240. Rodura 13065 y nosotros de la toma tuvimos 10 minutos con la policía de Colombia, información, gracias. Ryanair 966 Hotel, wind 290 degrees 06 knots, runway 10, clear for takeoff. Zero, the present traffic right now reports 11 knots on the southbound. 324, flight direct, Airbox. Bolín 3751, rodadura muy buena, después del estacionamiento 1616 por la rodadura principal. Yankee behind traffic in first final inside, line up and wait, runway 10 behind the Berlin 21 Sierra Verifa 453, ground hello, clear to Echo Bravo Oscar Sierra via meters 3 Alpha, squawk 5334, you have a slot at 0924, information Victor. The 453 reply is correct. Sierra mode is wrong. Please check. It should be Papa Sierra Juliet 102. Berlin 217 Alpha descent flight level 100. Requested taxi. AC53 Bravo Echo taxi to holding point Alpha 5 runway 10 via Charlie Gate. Please give way to Boeing 737 Norwegian colors tracking from left to right and QNH1013. QNH1013, hold point Alpha 5 runway 10 by Charlie, and we'll give way to the moving aircraft DC53 Bravo Echo. Zulu Foxtrot 129.530 Dubai. 129.530 Foxtrot. 77 Foxtrot Juliet, flight direct complete. Okay. Echo, when ready, contact number 118 155. 118 155, 53 Bravo Echo. Call Barcelona on 126.65. Victor, Alicante Tower, muy buena. Alicante Tower, 10, number 2, step 1, start releasing. Connect 5 Bravo Romeo, wind calm, runway 10, clear flash.
Step 1, Bravo 1 there, 25.